This is Honda CR-V 2018, and my tire pressure is low. The video will show you after I check and fill the tire how to reset the warning tire pressure low. Okay, now I will check my tire pressure. By the way, I don't want show you in the video how I check my tire pressure. I will use Ryobi to feel the tire pressure, but because I can't do that with my one hand, so I want to show you guys that's easy, super easy and simple. It's just like normal. I did check the tire pressure already, but on the screen you can see still show the tire pressure low. So now we go to the screen, we push home button, and you got this like this, and then setting, you choose vehicle, yeah, and TPMS calibration. TPMS is abbreviation for tire pressure monitoring system. So now we choose, there's cancel and calibrate. Of course we choose calibrate. Calibration started. Now we go to this. There's no warning about tire pressure low. Okay, that's easy. It's done, and thank you for watching. Please subscribe and like. Please give me like for this video. It's helped me with algorithm. Thank you. Bye bye.